Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Rollbar to your Node UI for bug visibility step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a Node.js project set up and ready. Open your terminal and navigate to the root directory of your Node.js application. Install the Rollbar package by running the command npm install rollbar. Once the installation is complete, open your main application file, typically app.js or server.js. At the top of this file, require the Rollbar package by adding const rollbar equals require rollbar. Next, create a new instance of Rollbar by providing your Rollbar access token, like this, const rollbar equals new rollbar, access token, your access token, environment, develop. Now, initialize Rollbar by calling rollbar.init in your application, locate the section where you handle errors or exceptions. Wrap your error handling middleware with the Rollbar reporting function. For example, use rollbar.error. If you want to log messages or issues, you can add rollbar.log, a message to log. Customize the logging level according to your needs by using rollbar.info or rollbar.warning. Next, ensure Rollbar is tracking client-side errors if your UI is on the front end. Integrate the Rollbar JavaScript SDK into your HTML file. Include the Rollbar script in your HTML, like this. Script src equals https://cdn.rollbar.com/rollbarjs/2.21.0/rollbar.min.js/script. Initialize Rollbar in the browser by adding var rollbar equals rollbar.init, access token, your access token, capture uncaught, true, capture unhandled rejections, true. Now, test your integration by simulating an error in your application. Trigger an intentional error to verify that it is logged in your Rollbar dashboard. Visit your Rollbar account and check if the error appears under the logged incidents. Finally, explore additional Rollbar features, such as notification settings and item filtering, for better bug visibility. You have now successfully connected Rollbar to your Node UI, providing enhanced bug visibility in your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.